Actually, after the series drawing 2022, we decided to have this series summer silent. So it's not easy to transfer the technique from still life to scenery. You don't think just using the brush and the color just sample only. Okay, I must transfer my technique from here, still life to scenery. So I try to give more effort and then try to look at the place that very nice for me to draw. So finally I get a place that is cooking Jugla, nice place and a bukit. Then the only place, only mountain in the south of Selangor. So I have shelter, nice view, and then I started to learn how to paint good scenery from there. So actually I painted at least 20, very the same place, a different angle and different weather and different mood. So actually I drew nearly more than 10 paintings from there. So I really paint very hard. Then after that I promised to have this series the year of 2023. But suddenly I feel that how can the world full of smoke? Okay, I know that this is the problem of my eyes. Then after that maybe 2024 I have a treatment for my eyes. Then surely I come to have a bad mood. I'm old already. Then tired to draw. No. So I can't expect that the second problem come to me. My eyes come to the so now you can see my eyes. Don't think that is I have a very beautiful eye, two layer. Actually I speak okay, 1 layer because already. And second surgery about my eye. So they spend a lot of my time. And then also spoil my mood. And then bad mood to draw, we become lazy to draw. So she pushed many times. I pretend my eyes have problem and that actually I'm quite lazy to draw.
I only give you one word. God closed this door for you, but He would like to open another bigger door for you.
So finally he forced me, Chia Hoy Sai, I please that for your series. When? So they frame out my mood again. Then no matter how, I must finish this series. So the supervisor was that Mr. Li Kai come to Boston for you. And you must try it. You see, jangan main-main. And then from there I said, no matter how, I must finish this, and no matter how to give all my supporter had a very good, try my best to draw a very good painting here. So this is my story. So actually I see a lot of very familiar faces. Thanks very much for your warm support to me. Okay?
Thank you, our artist, our teacher,